Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Hadidi Makeovers. A long time no see. We are going to be doing a normal smoky eye makeup. So starting off, I'm going to be cleaning her face with the micellar water. This micellar water is the one I've been using recently and it's very good. You know why we clean? We clean because we want a clean canvas. I'm going to be using this premium hydrating serum. It's a Korean skincare product. It's very hydrating, so I'm going to be applying that all over her face. And yes, I use my hands because you want to warm up the product into the skin. So I'm going to be using the Blossom Moisture Essence moisturizer. I'll be applying that to all over her skin because of course you want to maintain hydration whenever you're doing your makeup. I'll be using the Aqua Grip Makeup Primer from Cosmetics. I'm just going to be concentrating on the areas where she tends to get oily or tend to get sweaty. So I'll be using the Ideal Makeup Spray all over her face so that everything sits in properly. So next up, we need to clean up the brows. I'll be brushing the brows upwards. I'll be using my Adventure Makeup Brow Gel. I don't know why I did not show the brow gel, but I'm using the pencil brush, this disposable pencil brush, to draw her eyebrows. You want to make sure you brush that properly. I'll be using the Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch to highlight her brows. You want to make sure you blend this out properly. And yes, these brushes I'm using are from Sylvie Mac, the new Sylvie Mac set. I'll use the same concealer to do the upper part of her brows. I just want it to be very detailed. That's why I'm using the concealer on both the lower and the upper part of her brows. So I'm going to be using the foundation, the Yanga Beauty foundation in the shade number 8 to blend into, use as her foundation rather, and then blend that into her skin. I'm using my foundation brush to do that. You want to make sure you blend every part of her face with the foundation. And yes, what I like about this foundation is it's a lightweight foundation. When you have a smooth skin, this foundation is a go-to for you. Very lightweight, and it also has a full coverage look. So after that, I'll be following up with a beauty blender to make sure I blend in and push in all the products into her skin so that it looks like her own skin. So I'll be highlighting with the Sylvie Mac concealer in the shade Hazel. want the under eyes to be a little bit brighter, I'll be using this shade of concealer, the Sylvie Mac shade of concealer in the shade, I can't remember, just to add more light to her face. I'll be using the Debbie Luster setting powder in warm medium, the shade apricot, to set her concealer. Very important. So I'll be buffing off the excess powder with my powder brush, because you don't want to sit on her face for long. I'll be using the White Glam Bronzy to contour her face, side of the nose, and the side of her face. You don't want the face to be all flat. You want to add structure and dimension to the face. I'll be using the Annie's Beauty blush palette. There's this thing that blush does, add drama to the face. I'll be setting the face with the Milani powder in the shade warm medium. And then moving on to the eyes, I'll be using the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette in Naughty. I'll be doing the transition first. After that, we are going darker and darker, because you know I told you earlier on in the video, we are going to be doing a smoky eyes. So I just added warm shades to the eyes before going in with the darker shades. That's why I'll be using the Annie's Beauty Meet the Browns palette to darken the eyes. After that, I'm going into the same setting powder just to bake her face. Actually forgot to do this earlier. I'm supposed to have done that before doing the eyeshadow. So this is the Tehila eyeliner gel. I am going to be applying that on the top of her eyes, like on the eyeliner, on her lids. And then under the eyes, then I move on to into my eyeshadow palette, then Meet the Browns, the Annie's Meet the Browns eyeshadow to set my eyeliner, at the same time smudging the under eyes. So I'll be using my MAC mascara. Then I'll be using my tweezers to press down the lashes with her falsies, her natural lashes with the falsies, so that it doesn't look all different. So next I'll be setting her whole face. After setting the face, I'll be using the Damini setting spray to finish up my whole look. Guys, look at that. Look at the skin. Don't laugh at my lip palette. I'll be using the Bicham Ageless Lip Palette to do the lip. I used a medium nude shade on the inner part of the lips, and then I went in with the brown shade to line the outer part of the lip. So this is the final look. I just applied lip gloss. If you're joining me here for the very first time, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share this video. This is Hadidi Makeovers right here. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.